Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I am so excited to spend time with you guys today and talk about makeup and stuff. And I am going to share with you guys one of the newest addition to my eyeshadow palette collection. And it is the 63 eyeshadow color palette, which I'm going to show to you guys later on. So without further ado, let's go ahead and dive in. So I've already done my other eye. I'm going to do the other one, and I'm going to use this brush over here, and I'm going to use, I call it the 63 eyeshadow color palette. But I'm going to use this pink color over here right on the bottom. So this is going to basically our base for now. Okay, so you can see that it's very bright. So we'll just have to fix it a little bit later, because right now it's just, and don't be afraid to go underneath, it's fine. So after we've jumped into this color over here, we're going to go to this color over here. So it's kind of like a pink with the red tone on it, so we're going to go ahead and just use that. And we're going to go ahead and just put it over here. Okay, so we've already done that color. We're going to go ahead and just grab this black color. Now this is very pigmented. Be mindful what to put on the outer V over here, because it's gonna be a little dark, and then we're gonna drag it in like that. And I'm just gonna go ahead and kind of blend it in to the crease and blend that into. So you're gonna drag the color like that. So after blending that ending part over there, I am going to go ahead and grab some flat brush over here, and we're gonna go ahead and grab this color over here. It's like a little goldy, not really so goldy, but kind of, there we go. This color over here, it's like a shimmer color. And we're gonna go ahead and just, it's not really a cut crease, but we're gonna go ahead and just put it halfway. So we're gonna do this. This just kind of be the, we're gonna do this. This just kind of like the background of our gold glitter once we put it in. See that? There you go. And we're gonna go ahead and grab this liquid glitter eyeliner, which I'm gonna use to actually put that glitter over there. So all you need to do is just kind of like follow the cut crease that you did. We're gonna go ahead and just use an eyeliner to kind of like give us a cat eye over here. So I am done with the eyeliner. We're gonna go ahead and go down to our lower lash line, and then we're going to go ahead and touch base with this color over here, and we're gonna go ahead and just put it on underneath. So after that, we're gonna go ahead and just grab a fluffy flat brush, and we're just gonna go ahead and kind of diffuse it. So now that we've already diffused it, I'm going to go ahead and grab just a dark brown eyeliner, and then we're gonna put it on our waterline. There you go. So as you can see, we're almost done. We're gonna go ahead and grab our flat brush once again and kind of like diffuse it. All right, we are done. I'm gonna go ahead and just pop my eyelashes on, and I will be back. Don't go away. So what do you guys think of the look for today? I do hope you like and enjoy this video. The eyeshadow palette that I use in this video, as well as this liquid glitter eyeliner, you can get it at ddg-av.com. ddg-av.com. That's ddg-av.com, and use the code GETDDG to get 15% off to those products. If you like this video, please drop a like on this video and share it with your friends. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe to my channel. Hit that subscribe button and the bell as well so you'll be notified when new videos come in. Until my next video, I'll see you again in the next one. Bye!